Hi, I have to share with you something very exciting in ByteChef. So recently I wanted to record some of my outdoor activities that I do. So I wanted to have it in Google Spreadsheets. So what I did, I use this activity receiver, which is basically webhook, which expects some query parameters like squash. Then I just use a condition component to check if activity is worthy of recording, and then if it's not, I just stop the job. If it is, then I just want to record it in a Google Spreadsheet so that I can later calculate how much I have to pay for that activity. So I decided to use spreadsheet called evidence of activity. I'm sharing it here, so it's empty. It has some tabs here ready to receive values, and then I have set up the row details. First cell, it will be the name of activity, and second cell is the date when activity occurs. It is today. This is built-in function in ByteChef, and I use format to set that date in specific text format. Each time I hit the URL, which let me go to the deployments. Okay, okay, in deployments I have this icon which I can click and then copy URL, which I can use to invoke the workflow. I'm going back to development, because there I can test for free here. Let me do this. So look this. Now I'll just call test. Da-da-da-da. I have evidence of my activity here, and later I will probably upgrade this workflow to make a calculation of my costs at the end of the month. Goodbye, and I hope you will try ByteChef and have some great ideas to do with it.